Hello YouTube friends, welcome. Oh, this is gonna be a long video to shoot. Hello YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be cooking one of my favorite breakfasts, which is Boricua breakfast. It's my take. It's no by any means perfect. You can do it however you want, but this is the way I do it and I love it. So let's go ahead and see that. Spoiler alert, if you don't like how I do it, you can do it however you want.
Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to be needing some eggs, an onion, green peppers, tomatoes, garlic, butter, ham, and bacon. Let's go ahead and shake those eggs up. Make sure you don't do it too much that they start getting bubbles, because that's not good. You're going to be too runny and that's not what we want here. I also added some adobo. That's basically just seasoning, so you can add any seasoning you would like. Okay, so this is too satisfying to wash, so I'm just gonna shut up. I went ahead and added the butter to the pan and all the veggies and the meats and the garlic as well. and I started to saute them so I can get all the juices and the grease out of the meat. So that's gonna give a lot of flavor to the scrambled eggs. So go ahead and saute these veggies and meat until they take this beautiful golden color that you see here. Go ahead and add the eggs and start moving them around slowly. Don't take your eye out of it, because if you leave them without moving them, they're gonna start burning, and that's not what we want. So make sure you're always constantly moving them. Remember, we're doing this in medium-high temperature, so it's going to be cooking quite fast. Make sure you start moving that quite often. Right about now, they're already done. You know, when it's already all solids and no liquid. At this time, I turned off the stove and added the cheese and put the lid on while I was doing the toast. So when we go ahead and serve it, the cheese is going to be melted.
Let's give this a try, shall we? Ah, that's so good. I love food, man. Okay, so this is the part that if you don't like seeing people eat, you can click away. I give you permission. Alright, so now that we're all full, we can go ahead and follow my social media, shall we? So now I have a Facebook page, which is Chewy_PR. I do Minecraft videos, Minecraft streams actually. I'm gonna be streaming for a couple of days. I don't have like a schedule yet, but every now and then I'm doing streams. I'm gonna start doing cooking streams as well. That one is gonna take me a while because, you know, I have to figure out all the equipment and stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now that it's called Chewy_PR. Don't forget that. And my Instagram, Sully_Neko_Chan. Thank you for watching this video. Please come back, please like, please share, please leave your comments down below. Let me know if you didn't like anything or you liked it. Let me know what should I cook next. Thank you for watching me and goodbye. As you can see, I changed the name of my channel. So it's going to be Chewy_PR. So don't get confused, it's still me. It's just I changed the name to my nickname, which is Chewy. So I hope you enjoy my channel from now on. Don't forget to subscribe. Can't wait. Channel. I have to look at the camera and not the viewfinder. Camera, not viewfinder. Camera, not viewfinder. Okay. Keep looking at the viewfinder and I'm gonna murder you.